Hi Joe and Kylie, I thought I'd just make this video just because Joe, you asked the question about emailing students. So I'm going to show you a couple of little tricks just so you know. If you want to get a class list, I guess you call it, go into grades and then once you're in there, my computer is really slow so I have to apologise. Go to your group, so that's up the top there, and then press export here and you'll see this come up. If you press CSV file, it will download or export all your students. So then you can be ticking them off as they post, which will save you hopefully a little bit of time. It takes a long time and it comes up as an Excel document. So you can see there it's exporting, but then you can at least be ticking them off and you can write little comments if there's something particular that you need to know, and that might just save you a little bit of time. As for emailing them, for the first time, because they haven't logged on, I would recommend that you email them individually. So in order to do that, I'm going to show you that too, but I'm just hopefully, yeah, so here's that export that's come up. I'll just show you what that looks like, just so you can see it. It's not quick in my house tonight because everyone's using the internet, but that's all good. So here comes the Excel. So you will see here, hang on a minute, let me open it, make it bigger. You can see that you will have a whole list here of your students. Here it is. So here's your students. This is the whole group, but you can just do your own groups because I've downloaded the whole thing. But just a little thing to share just a bit of a shortcut for you. And as far as emailing students, just go into your groups and then just choose people. And as you have, as you come across, hopefully you won't have heaps. I would just be copying this into an email and just have a standard email. There's some of those on the ELA portal about logging in, or just make, how you're going, etc., etc. And then that makes it easier for your students to know that you're looking after them, basically. So I'm hoping that helped. Have a good night. See ya.